Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. You can also find me over on Instagram, where I'm often styling my brown and beige handbags. So in today's video, we are doing a bag swap and bag reveal. You can tell by the thumbnail I sold my Fendi First in the tan and raffia combination, but I also ended up buying a replacement bag, which I will reveal on this channel. So let's get right into it. Last year, I was pretty heavy into Fendi, and I ended up buying this Fendi First. I loved it. I loved the tan combination with the raffia. Well, this was a very seasonal bag, and I think I did call that out. However, I just really didn't use it. Plus, if you haven't noticed by now to this point, I very much curate this brown and beige handbag collection, and a lot of my Fendi bags, I haven't really been buying much from Fendi. I still like Fendi, don't get me wrong. I think they actually have some amazing leather, some beautiful handbags. But in terms of the raffia one and the Fendi First, that was very much a bag that I just wasn't really vibing with over time. It's a more of a unique style with that Fendi F, and wasn't really using it, wasn't really feeling Fendi. So I decided to get rid of it and make room for a different bag that I was very much vibing with. So let me know if you have any guesses of what bag that might be. But I feel like this replacement bag is totally much more my vibe with my collection. And yes, it is indeed one of the bag brands that I have back here. And I still think has a little bit of the essence of that Fendi First, and you'll see shortly. So anyways, let me just reveal it to you guys. Yes, we have a Celine dust bag. It is a Celine bag. This bag, in full transparency, it showed up on Fashion File one day. I feel like some of us in this community have this story where a beautiful handbag that you just have to like jump on, and this was the case. I saw this bag was actually one that I considered at the time when I was trying to decide on that Fendi raffia, but obviously we know I went with the Fendi First for my raffia bag, and here we go. So anyways, I saw this on Fashion File, purchased this one. I really couldn't believe they had this one. This is probably the bag that, in retrospect, and knowing where my collection at now, probably should have always went with this one, but at the time I was very much into Fendi. So any further ado, here we go. And we have, this is the Celine, a wallet on strap in the raffia tan. Can you get any more of a Jamie neutral handbag than this? I'm obsessed with this. I'm gonna give you up close. And this was in excellent condition. I mean, it looks pretty brand spanking new. The quality, it's just one big compartment on the inside. It does have this nice Celine logo here. Very beautiful. I'm kind of obsessed, guys, with this one. And yes, this is still a seasonal, but I literally swapped one raffia bag for another raffia bag, but I think this is so much more my vibe. Some of the elements I love about this, obviously the tan and this raffia combination. I will tell you too, this raffia, it feels actually soft, which my Fendi First at the time, it felt harder, if that makes sense. It wasn't as soft as this, so that's definitely a plus. I don't think a lot of you will be surprised. I love this, that it's in a classic rectangle structured shape. I'm kind of obsessed with my classic handbags, especially structured ones, and obviously the Fendi First was more of that interesting Fendi First shape, and this one is just a classic rectangle, so I think that's fantastic as well. I actually love the length of how it hits right around my hip bone area, and I think it looks so chic. It's really casual chic. Can't wait for spring and summer. And this, what I also love, this strap And you guys know I have another wallet on strap. This strap can be detachable. Not only can it be detachable, so you could have it or tuck these straps in so you can wear it as a clutch. And I think that's so great for summer because you just kind of like want to grab and go and party, or I don't know, dinner ready. I love that vibe. We're just gonna tuck it in for right now, but you can definitely remove the strap, and it's super cute. And I probably will take the strap off eventually. But look at this. Ah, it's so cute. So what I did here is I removed the strap, and it's such a cute clutch. Look at that. I love how it's like this cute envelope style. I'm really obsessed with this, guys. What do you think? It's like such a beautiful bag. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I think this one is so much more me. Let me know what you think. I will say, when it comes to bag curating, I'm always curating my collection so it fits perfectly with my style, my vibe, and I think that my style has evolved too. You know, like I said, I still appreciate, I do like Fendi, but I am much more into Celine than Fendi. But this one, amazing. It's such a great find. Look at this Triumph logo. And if you are also wondering, because I had that handbag, part of my wish list is a Celine Triumph bag, so technically this does count for the Triumph, but it's not the classic Triumph that we all think about with that leather and the gold logo, and so that's still on the wish list. This is just a bag that sometimes when you see it on Fashion File, you just gotta like jump on it, and that is what this is. So excited to have this one because we are right now in Chicago. It's a little bit crazy with the weather, and we are in perfect time for that spring summer weather here now that we're approaching March. Let me know what you think. Do you like this colorway? Do you think this bag is much more me, my style? I'm certainly in love with it. So I will tell you, yes, I'm loving it. I think this is a great decision. And yes, selling bags does suck, but at the end of the day, having a collection that you like and you use, it's totally worth doing that. So, and that Fendi First was just really, it was a sad Fendi First that was just sitting there. Let me know what you guys think, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Love to have you back, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care.